look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ, and welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and sometimes a little bit weird. I got you off guard there. I know I did. Hey, a squeaky chair's back. I better not do it too much. The thing will collapse underneath me. Oh my gosh. All right, so today's episode is the benefit of collaboration on a project. Those are great opportunities to check your ego at the door. Simply put, check your ego at the door. Why? Because if you're working on, let's say, a movie or a commercial shoot, or you're writing or you're sculpting, sometimes you need the input of others. How often do you check your work with your significant other, your wife, your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, your cat, your dog, your bird, whoever? How often do you share your creation with others that you're working with? That's what I'm saying. For me, my benefit is to keep my ego in check and to be able to listen to others and hear what they bring to the table and what it is that they are able to share on a project if it involves multiple people. What do you guys do? What do you do? What do you do when you're working on a project? I'd like to see in the notes, comments below in the basement. Totally share, seriously, like for reals. Totally share what you guys think about that and whether or not you do that or not on your creations. Share it in the comments below. And that's it. Let's just wrap it up. Keeping it under 3 minutes. Oh, yeah. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and a little bit weird. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, ding dong, ching chang, walla walla, bing dang, and we'll send a raven, or we'll just come knocking at your door, letting you know that the next episode is live. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly, and you know what it is. Oh yeah, stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, see, I mixed it up on you. I'll see you later. Bye.